Hey guys, Connor Marr with MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2021 Harris 230 Sunliner. Let's go ahead and take a quick walk around and we'll step on the back right there. So as we take a shot around this boat, I want you to notice the midnight blue fencing on here. Very beautiful color. It looks great in the sunlight when it's matched up with the natural standard fencing color. Now, we do have the quick release fender system on this boat as well. Very, very easy to take your fenders on and off in seconds. It's also featuring a 12-foot bimini top, giving you a lot of sun coverage. Just real expansive, very tall, so nobody's ever going to hit their head on that. As we come across to our back platform here, there's a lot of little neat things to notice here. So for one, we have our safety rails that go all the way around our sun lounger back here, making it where we can ride back here and making a very comfortable area, nice and safe and contained. Now we also have a 150 horsepower Mercury outboard on this boat. Perfect powertrain for a boat of this size. You're going to be able to do tubing, skiing, and cruising of any kind. Now, very similar to the 2020, got a lot of storage back here. And then you also have your included inboard cooler off to your port side here. And notice how all of these are on hinges. Very beefy, anodized hinges. Just very, very durable package. All stainless steel cup holders as well. And of course, with every seat, you got to have the included 2-amp phone chargers in there, which you can very easily just cover up like that. Come on and step aboard. Now that we're in here, we're around where all of our passengers are going to be at. Right now on our sun pad, this is how we accommodate the most passengers on board. Okay, you got people that can sit across the back, you got people that can sit across the front here, and for those times that there's a little bit less people and you want to lounge out, just have a really relaxing day, you can flip this seat to where it's folded back and you have a back. And then you could go one step further and drop it completely flat. So you can have a great tanning bed or really just a great place to stretch out. Now, this model also features our dual Helm seats. And here on the Sunliner, they've done a huge upgrade on these seats. As you can notice on an entry-level pontoon, we have the cross stitching in the center, giving it that really, really rich look and just amazing feeling quality. Armrests that fold up and down, and you also have that adjustable backrest. Now, switch over to the helm area where our captain's going to be sitting. Huge difference in 2021. As you can see, this is a completely different design at all, and they've actually chopped a lot of this material off so that we can gain a lot of leg room. When you're sitting down in this seat, for one, it's very easy to reach all your components. You're not having to reach too far. It's all very natural. And at the same time, you can tilt the steering wheel up and have a complete upright standing position. This is very comfortable, and I could do it very, very easily without having to change my seating position or anything, just pivoting the wheel up into a nice, comfortable position. Now, go ahead and check out these gauges that are on this boat. So on the cruisers and the Sunliners, we are now having this digital gauge where you can view your depth, the hours on the boat, all the really good information you need to know about what's going on here. Now, we also do have a Fusion Bluetooth radio here. This is Bluetooth operated. You got an auxiliary connection, and you also do have a USB connection. And all of those are right up here. Great access for you to get to connect your phone. And of course, a nice little pad to put all your items at. Now, aside from the design, of course, we do have additional storage underneath here. Very expansive. where you can fit a nice cooler and not have to worry about that sliding around on you all day. And check this out, something that a lot of people are always fighting to find. Where are the fuse boxes on these things? Well, they actually put the fuse box right here. Very, very easy to get to. You don't have to lay on your back and wonder where that fuse box is at. Just a small little feature that's really nice that they changed up. Now, of course, off to our port side, we do have our included changing room, where you can include the frame and the canvas that folds up on this piece if you do please to do so. This is where we store our cover for the most part, and a very, very deep compartment right here. If you got a Yeti cooler, anything of that nature, very easy to toss it in this compartment and hide it away for the day. Now, let's go ahead and check out the bow seats right here. So, really long, really expansive. Again, you got your really nice and great feeling cross stitch. You gain these great armrests that fold down for that extra comfort and convenience. And of course, cup holders are always a great feature upon these boats, which they have included phone chargers up here in the bow for both port and starboard side loungers. Now, of course, with these big long seats, you got to have a whole lot of storage to go in here. Pull up the new nylon black tab and you gain access to your self-bailing compartment. Really well finished, edges rolled over for that extra durability and abuse that it can handle. Additional storage up to the front seat on the lounger. Again, all self-bailing. Very big, expansive container. Always gets all that water away so that your items are not sitting in the water. And the same exact piece off to your starboard side here, just being a little bit longer. All right, guys, if this is a boat you'd like to hear more information about, please contact us at MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Thank you guys so much for watching.